Hold the Rubik's Cube in a way in which the yellow face is the top one and the white face the bottom one. Search in the bottom layer for a corner with yellow on it. Pay attention to the 3 colors in each corner. If you can't find any, go to case 4. There's not any yellow corners on the bottom layer section. Rotate the bottom layer until such corner is underneath its position. Right now, I'm looking for the yellow, green, and orange, and I put it underneath its position. Apply one of the following solutions. Rotate the bottom layer to the left, like this. Then rotate the face that has the yellow-orange edge down. Rotate back the bottom layer to the right, and then up, like this. That's it.